Hey everyone, just wanted to show you a new project that I'm working on out of the farm. Actually, I've had it for a little bit, but it's grinding grains with a wood chipper, gas-powered wood chipper. I had been using an electric one, but I wanted the grains to be a little bit finer, and there was really no way to modify the electric one. So I bought myself a gas-powered one and modified it so it will grind up, for example, corn basically into cornmeal. So with that being said, here are the modifications that I did to a wood chipper to grind corn. Here's my wood chipper. I picked it up fairly cheap. Just checked Craigslist till I found one that was in my price range. For example, let's start off here. This is a big brush chute, but inside of there, you see that yellow piece? I actually closed it off. I cut out a piece of steel, bolted this, and put that plate of steel inside there so nothing can come shooting back out of here. And also, I left it on there because it makes a nice handle. And this is the chute that I use. I let a flap in it. I just pour the grains in there, and the vibration of the chipper slowly feeds the grains down into here. And then this is the exit chute. For this, I took on the side right here. I cut, took my grinder and cut little hooks on both sides so I can hook a feed bag to. And then also on the front part, I cut this little hook too to hook the feed bag. But this is where the magic happens. That's a steel grate. It is it's probably, I'd say, a good probably 3/16 grate. I found this. I saw it and I was like, this will work perfectly. This piece right here fits down inside of the chute to help avoid larger pieces from falling or come shooting out for wood. So I took that steel grate and wired it to that main piece that's inside of the chipper already. It's removable with these pins here, and then it's got a pin that holds this piece in place. I was really worried that I wasn't going to get a fine enough grain or grind, but also I figured you could probably even put a piece of steel in here, maybe only halfway, so it has to at least bang around in there for a little while. But you can see it's very fine, and this is just the dust. Grinding corn is very dusty, but wanted to show this is the grind of the corn with this grate. Eventually I'm going to try to figure out a way to do interchangeable grates or screens, so I can do cracked corn versus a cornmeal. But yeah, this is my now new, at least to me, corn grinder. The mechanism inside, basically, you have two lawnmower blades that chop up the wood, but then there's swinging arms in between them, and it's basically on the same principle as a hammer mill. But yeah, so I thought that it would do a pretty good job. But I also wanted one tip: your air filter. Make sure, because underneath right here is where it draws air. So make sure that this stays clean. I'm actually gonna buy a new air filter for it, but make sure this doesn't clog up, because you don't need this powdery stuff to go inside of the hair. But that is my new grain grinder. And yeah, if y'all have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.